आंध्र प्रदेश के वजीर आईटी नारा लोकेश ने आज क्वांटम वैली वर्कशॉप से खिताब करते हुए कहा कि रियासती हुकूमत का मकसद अमरावती को जनूबी एशिया की पहली क्वांटम वैली के तौर पर तरक्की देना है। उन्होंने बताया कि अगले 5 बरसों में क्वांटम टेक्नोलॉजी के शोबे के जरिए रियासत में 1 लाख रोजगार के मौके पैदा किए जाएंगे। नारा लोकेश ने कहा कि हुकूमत का मकसद न सिर्फ मकामी मईशत को मजबूत बनाना है बल्कि रियासत को आलमी क्वांटम इख्तरात का मरकज बनाना है।
Today marks more than just a confluence of India's brightest quantum minds. Today marks a turning point, a moment when Mr. Naidu signals to the world that he is ready to lead the next technological revolution. Honestly, I find myself very lucky to see his second chapter of technology revolution. When he started his first chapter, I was in 7th class, like quite a few of the ministers now, and we really didn't understand what he's trying to achieve in IT. But it takes a visionary to see the future, distill it, execute it. And once again, while young ministers are in their 40s, we're witnessing the next technological revolution under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu ji. We are here to ignite a bold vision to transform Amaravati into South Asia's first quantum valley, a thriving ecosystem where ideas become innovations and innovations become industries. This is not a one-day event. This is a dawn of a national movement with Andhra Pradesh as its epicenter. We are investing in a full-stack quantum capability from qubit architecture.